Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing awesome. So yesterday we worked on drawing Matman. Today we are going to work on building Matman. So for all of you that are unfamiliar, Matman is this little stick figure guy developed by Handwriting Without Tears. Check out Handwriting Without Tears if you haven't checked them out already. They're an amazing program that works on basically writing readiness. And he really helps our little ones learn their shapes as well as get ready for handwriting. So today for materials, all you'll need are crayons or markers, if you have them, child-size scissors, glue or tape, and paper. So whatever paper you have laying around the house, computer paper, construction paper, whatever it is you have. So basically what we're going to do today is we're going to draw all of the shapes that go into Matman, so circles, squares, rectangles. Then our kiddos are going to color in the shapes, they're going to cut them out, and then glue them on in the correct sequence, okay? So this is an awesome activity for our kids to develop their scissor cutting skills, which challenges their visual motor system. It's a great activity for them to develop hand strength when they're squeezing that glue. Also body awareness and spatial awareness, because they're going to be putting the head and body and all the body parts in the correct place. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So step one, we are going to draw all of the shapes that go into Matman using a marker or a crayon. Feel free to break that crayon in half to make it smaller. This will promote a more functional grasp on the crayon because your kiddo won't be able to grab it with their whole hand. They'll have to use these 3 fingers. So I'm going to start with the head. I'm going to draw a circle. Have your kiddo draw a circle if they can, or trace the circle that you make. I'm going to draw a square for the body. I'm going to draw 4 longer rectangles. These are the arms and the legs. And I'm going to draw 4 smaller circles. These will be the feet and the hands. So these are my drawings thus far. Again, if your kiddo cannot draw these shapes, you go ahead and draw them and have them trace. So after we have drawn all of our shapes, the next step is we are going to color them in. This is targeting our fine motor precision skills. So I'm going to have my kiddos use a broken in half crayon to color in all of the shapes that I'm drawing. So here we go. And fine motor precision, this is basically the ability to color with control and within a certain boundary. So after your kiddo has colored in all the shapes to their Matman, the next step is we are going to cut him out. So again, with scissor use, I want to make sure that the shoulder is tucked in or adducted, sorry, and then their thumb is up. And they're stabilizing and rotating the hand, rotating the paper with the opposite hand, okay? If your child needs support with scissors, you can always sit behind them and help stabilize the paper with your hand. You can also cut out the shape yourself and have them practice cleaning up the lines that you cut out. For example, I will show you. So if I'm cutting out this square, and I'm not sticking to the lines, I can then give this square to my child and they can practice making it a little bit nicer and staying on the lines. That'll make this task a little bit easier. So now I have all of my shapes cut out nicely. So the last and final step is a So all we'll need for this is our glue or our tape if you guys have tape at home, and our Matman pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue them on. Have your child follow my order as I start at the top and I find the circle among my shapes. So find the circle, this is our head, and we're going to glue the circle or the head on the top. Now when you're doing this with your child, feel free to ask them, where's your head? And have them point to their head, just to really reiterate where our body parts are and again solidify that spatial awareness, body awareness piece. So I'm going to start with gluing my head on the top. I'm going to take my glue, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to squeeze it onto the back of my shape. This is challenging my child's hand strength and bilateral coordination because two hands are squeezing that glue as hard as they can to get that glue out. So the circle or the head is on top. Next, find the square. Where is the square? So again, we're solidifying shapes in this activity. So I found my square, and I'm going to glue my square, right underneath the circle. Squeezing my glue. Okay, so far our Matman looks like this. Next, find the rectangle. We have 4 rectangles, and we're going to glue these on to be our arms. So I want your Matman so far to look just like my Matman. And having your child copy my Matman and gluing the shapes on in the same order, that's working their visual motor integration skills or their ability to copy what they see. So find another rectangle. Put glue on the back. Good job. Here's our other arm. Where are your arms? Nice work. Find another blue rectangle. You can incorporate colors as well. This is going to be our leg. So far, I want your Matman to look just like mine. Find another blue leg, blue rectangle. Awesome work. Okay, find a little orange circle. This is going to be our hands and our feet. Nice job. And let's finish up. You can have them glue the rest of the hands and feet on. And voila, we have our Matman. Nice job. At the end, you can have your child color in, draw a smile, a nose, just any facial feature they want, and they can decorate it with stickers. They can do whatever they want with it. Have them practice writing their name underneath. But awesome job today, you guys. Nice job, and I will see you next time. Bye.